Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Flare. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Flare. It's going to be a relatively quick video. I just want to give you some announcements around Flare, and we'll also talk about Flare Finance and passive income as well. So Flare API portal introduces APIs on Google Cloud Marketplace. This is huge. With this release, Web3 developers can now access the blockchain of Flare in all networks connected by its proprietary data acquisition protocols. Namely, devs can work with APIs for Algorand, BNB Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Flare, Litecoin, Songbird, and XRP. With Flare's APIs listed by Google Cloud Marketplace, the team of cryptocurrency applications can stop running their own blockchain nodes and using public APIs. And this is going to grow out over time as well. Then we're going to talk about the review on Flare. This comes from Crypto Reviewing. They review so many different cryptocurrencies, but this is big. So Flare rating 8.6 out of 10. Project rating 10 out of 10. Flare Network is a layer 1 EVM blockchain on a mission to connect every chain and dApp with their unique solution, the State Connector and FTSO. So we already started seeing that happen with Google Cloud. But this is going to grow over time. It's going to form a massive network. Utility rating is 9 out of 10. Flare is used for transactions, dApps, bridging, governance, staking, and smart contracts. Staking is always very important when I invest in a crypto because it allows you to accumulate more of it over time, waiting for it to moon at some point. On top of that, that allows you to never have to sell your crypto in the future. You can get that passive income instead. Roadmap rating 9 out of 10. Flare plans on bridging of more chains, scalability, upgrades, and cross-chain upgrades. I'm waiting to see what the next crypto to bridge over is going to be. I'm waiting for the Algo bridge. I'm also waiting for that Bitcoin bridge through Algorand as well. Team rating 8 out of 10. Flare are a team of 45 plus employees located globally. CEO Hugo Fillon has an ML degree. Social rating 10 out of 10. Flare have 257,000 Twitter followers with 250 to 500 likes per tweet on average. I think it's because a lot of people are starting to wake up to Flare now. You know, early on it was that Flare was a scam because of all the delays in the airdrop. But now I think people are starting to wake up and realize, you know, things take time to build out. And as they're building out, you're going to start to see how massive this network becomes. It's going to be astonishing. Tokenomics rating 5 out of 10. Flare has an infinite max supply. 12.3 billion circulating, 20% allocated to the Flare team. Partnerships rating is 9 out of 10. Flare partners include Google Cloud, Algo, Nexera, Covalent, and more. And Nexera is another one. That makes more sense to me than anything because Nexera is also tied to QNT. And we're going to see Flare and QNT connect eventually as well. Everything is coming together, and we're starting to see it happen from the bottom up. Exchanges, KuCoin, Coinbase, Crypto.com, BingX, Mexi, OKX, Kraken, Gate.io list Flare. And we're going to see in the future also the fact that Flare could add value to all these other cryptocurrencies as well. Summary, overall rating 8.6 out of 10. Flare offer a very innovative solution to blockchain interoperability challenge. Their community is extremely strong and they have a secure and gigantic partnership with Google Cloud. Very strong potential. And you know, even when you look at the ISO mapping now, you see how Flare is integrated in there. And I said that from day one. I said it's going to be part of the new financial system. Wait and see. Then there's Enosys. So internal testing has now concluded at the Enosys Bridge, connecting the Flare network Songbird network to the Zinfin official XDC network is now available for public usage. And initially you have a limit of 25,000 XDC per day, but this is going to lead to passive income. It has been decided at the end of April we are bringing XDC to Solidify Web and Solidify wallet. This way you are ready to earn passive income through the upcoming XDC farming pools of Enosys Global once they become available. If you know anyone holding XDC, let them know. We're going to see this happen with other cryptocurrencies also. That's why I said at some point Doge is going to be tied in here. When I first initially did a video on Doge and Flare, people laughed. They said Doge is never going to have any type of utility. I believe Flare is going to give Doge a little bit of utility in the long run. We have published an article with an overview of our new brand and outlining upcoming changes to our product and mainnet token names. Now, this comes from Enosys. So, this is the products that they're going to offer. The names of the products that fall under the Enosys banner will also be changing. We want the products' names to be descriptive and recognizable so that users can quickly identify which products and services they can access. As such, the names will be changed as follow. You see, Flare X, Enosys DEX, enables users to swap currencies and earn passive income providing liquidity. Flare Farm, a user-governed token launchpad gears towards giving holders a chance to support projects hoping to build in and around the network's ecosystem. Flare Loans allows users to leverage their crypto assets as collateral to mint another currency. Flare Drops, multi-chain, curator, centric digital art marketplace, and auction house. Flare Wrap allows users to move their assets from one network to a different supported network. The only difference is they're no longer going to be Flare. They're going to be Enosys Bridge, Enosys Gallery, Enosys Loans. Enosys Mutual allows users to ensure their holdings in a decentralized way. Enosys Governance, state governance tokens to influence the platform's future and earn yield from APY Cloud. DeFi Oracles, Clover, and APY Cloud will remain currently named. So in the future, this is going to lead to passive income. And this is the one thing I was always looking forward to around Flare. I kept saying, and Flare Finance, which is now Enosys, is not Flare Network. They're two separate things. People always get that confused. But as time goes on, there's going to be so many options opening up. And as those options open up, you're going to start to see more and more how you will never have to sell your crypto. Because all of a sudden, you realize, hey, I could live off the amount of passive income I'm going to get on this cryptocurrency. And maybe if you need money quick, you can borrow against another crypto that you hold. We are getting to that point slowly. That's what I love about crypto because we're so early. These were things that were talked about 2, 3, 4 years ago. And people said, we're never going to get to that point. We're never going to get that mass adoption in the future. But now we're starting to see it happen throughout the world. You're starting to see stores offer crypto as a payment form. You're starting to see the banks get involved with crypto, not in the US because of Gary Gensler and some politicians, but throughout the rest of the world, banks are embracing crypto. And you know, if a bank embraces crypto, think about all the new clients they will get. People love crypto. And there's a lot of younger generation people out there that want to get involved with the bank. But what does the bank have to really offer? You put your money in savings, you don't get any returns on it. You could put that same money in crypto and all of a sudden get life-changing wealth. And that's what I see as a Flare holder. I see that life-changing money in the future. I see my crypto going to work so I don't have to. That's what you should see also. You know, when people were calling Flare a scam, I was laughing the whole time. I said, these people just don't understand this. They don't understand how big this is going to become. You know, we are at a time where a lot of people lack to see the future. They don't have that vision for what's to come. But if you really start to look at it, it's very simple. It's this crypto partnering with this crypto, moving to this network, starting a new, building. And then all of a sudden the banks get involved and countries get involved with CBDCs coming. And all of a sudden you have this massive network that formed. And now your crypto holdings at the same time are starting to rise in value But as they continue to rise up, and now you start to get those options for the future. And you want to retire at some point. Most likely that's why you invested in crypto in the first place. But how do you get there? By being patient and watching it all happen. You know what you hold, continue holding it. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.